Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to protect your Excel file with password. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. I want to protect this full Excel file. Just click on File tab. You can see here, click on the info, click on the Protect Workbook. You can get the various option. Just click on the second option, Encrypt with password. Enter your password. I just enter 123 and click OK. You can see here your Excel file is password protected. Just close it, save it. Now you can open this. This file is on desktop sample data. You can see here the file is protected with password. Just enter your password, click on OK. You can see this price file is unprotected. If you want to remove this password, just click on file, click on info, just click on it, just click on the second option, remove this password and click on OK. You can see here the protection is removed. Now just close this file, save it and open again. You can see now password is not required to open this file. That's it. Thank you.